Alright everyone, so we are benchmarking the newly built PC. So I built this from scratch, replaced everything. My goal is to make this the best PC, the fastest I've ever built. So that's what we're doing, we're benchmarking it. So let's go over some specs here. So I had built this computer already, and then I took the parts out and put brand new higher end parts in. And before, under basic, we got 52 frames and the score was 1314, so 1314. That was the score for this computer before I replaced everything. Our gaming computer, so I have a gaming PC which is right over here. That PC got a basic of 171 frames per second and a score of 4,310. And then this one I completely built as well. And then we have our other gaming PC that I've been using for video editing. And that got a 180 frames per second and a score of 4,556. So the goal of this is for this computer to get better than 180 frames per second and better than a 4,500 score. So this is getting close to being done. We'll see. But yeah, it's definitely the most prettiest PC I've built. So I'm pretty excited, so we'll see. Now I will add, for those who know about computers, I did not overclock this new PC. So for my CyberPower PC build that got the best basic score, that was fully maxed out and overclocked. So the GPU was overclocked. When you overclock a GPU, you can get more performance out of it. So this is just basic. This is right out of the box. So it's almost done and we're gonna find out our score right now. Remember, 180 frames per second we wanna beat, and 4,500 total score is what we wanna beat. Alrighty. There we go. Wow. Frames per second, 242. Remember, we wanted to beat 180. We wanted to beat the score of 4,500. We got a 6,100. Now this is under basic settings. That's all fine and dandy. We also tested the computer under extreme. And under extreme, our other gaming PC, not our CyberPower PC, I know it's kind of confusing, so we're going to extreme. We're going to run it. Now, this PC, our gaming PC that we built under Extreme, got the best score. So under Extreme, we got 101 frames per second and a score of 2,500. So, now that we're running this under Extreme, it needs to get a score of 101 frames per second and 2,500 score or higher. So that's the goal. That will determine if this computer is better than my gaming PC that I built specifically. I built this one specifically for playing video games online, triple and double A title games. So if this new build, which it should because I tried to build it to be the best PC I've ever built, if this can actually be better than 101 frames per second on Extreme and better than 2,554, then we have succeeded and this will be an amazing editing computer. It's already going to be amazing because it already beat the basic score, but we'll see what it does coming up. I don't know if it will. I don't know if it will beat that score. Extreme really tests everything out. Now, keep in mind, we did not overclock this. So if we overclock it, we will be able to get a much higher score. Overclocking, and by the way, we did overclock our gaming PC. So this is, the score we got was with it overclocked and maxed out for best performance. This, keep in mind, is right out of the box without overclocking it. And overclocking your GPU can be a world of a difference. I do want to add, before I upgraded all the components of this PC, our basic score was 52 frames per second and a 1300 score. So keep in mind, we got a 6100 score and a 242 frames per second. So we just blew this PC, this tower, out of the water with my new build. Even though it's the same tower and the same hard drive. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. Alright, here we go. Remember, 101 frames and a score of 2500. Here we go. Wow. That's actually disappointing. 99 and 2500. So it's close to our actual gaming PC. Now, here's the kicker. We have not even overclocked this yet. So we've already overclocked this bad boy. So we're gonna overclock this and see what we can do. All right, we got our overclocking right here. Alright, so I'm going to try and be quiet because my wife is sleeping, but we overclocked the GPU. We're now doing basic. So remember, under basic we got 242 frames per second and a score of 6100 before we overclocked the GPU. So we upped the GPU, the graphics, and the memory by, so the graphics we upped by 602 and the graphics we upped by 171 and the memory we upped by 602. So here we go. We need to beat 6100 score and 242 FPS. Let's see. Alright. So 242 was the previous score and 6100 was the previous score. So we got 62 and 248. So we definitely did beat that. Let's try extreme now. Alright, after fine tuning and benchmarking, let's see what we got now. 107, 2708. So let's see. We wanted to beat, our other PC got 101, 2545. So we beat our best computer and we're still fine tuning and still clocking.